is George Abraham. I'm staying at Nevada near Hotel Park Overnight. I'm 74 years old. I had a problem like a phimosis which happened after my appendix surgery. In the meantime, I searched in the Google, I saw Dr. Rizwan's name and I called Healing Hands and they gave Dr. Rizwan's number. I could talk to him and he gave me an appointment in the evening. I met him. He explained everything in a very detailed way. He was so nice, perfect human being, doctor. And half of my problem was solved there only. And he explained the procedure for the operation. And we fixed the operation for Wednesday. It was a holiday, October 2nd. They gave me the room around 2:30. And I took for the surgery at 3:34. I came back after about an hour or so. I was okay. And throughout the surgery, doctor was talking to me and we were interacting very well. Came back to the room. He explained everything, post-surgery care and everything. And night I could sleep considerably well and no other issues. The next day morning we got discharged. He has called me back on 8th, that is today, for the follow-up. We removed the clamp, everything. Again explained next 2 weeks procedure. Overall, I'm happy. Thank you. I'll definitely recommend others who are in need of such surgeries. And, thank you. That's all.